Hello, I'm Dr. Cheryl from Oclef, and in today's video we're going to learn about balance in piano playing and how to make the melody of a hymn stand out using your right hand. Having a strong melody is crucial in hymn playing, so let's get started. First, let's talk about balance. In piano playing, balance refers to the evenness and control of the sound between both hands. In hymn playing, it's important to have a well-balanced sound so that the melody is clearly heard while the accompaniment supports it. Here are some tips to help you play the melody stronger with your right hand. Practice playing the melody the right hand alone. When you focus on playing the melody smoothly, you get good even rhythm and good finger control. This will help you build a solid foundation for adding the left hand later. Use arm weight instead of pressing with just your fingers. Use the weight of your arm to create a more powerful and expressive sound. Make sure to keep your wrist flexible and avoid any tension. Pay attention to the dynamics marked in the music, such as forte, loud, or piano, soft. These markings can guide you on how to shape the melody and make it stand out. Agogic accent. Give a slight emphasis or accent to the first note of each phrase or improvisation to improve the listener's ability to follow the melody more easily. Legato. Ensure your melody is connected smoothly from note to note, using proper finger, sound, and speed. Voicing. Adjust the pressure between your right and left hand when playing so that the right hand, the accompaniment, is like right hand is louder and the left hand accompaniment is softer. Now let's try playing a simple hymn together. We'll play Amazing Grace, focusing on making the melody louder in the right hand. I'll play it once to demonstrate, and then we'll play it together slowly. Great. Now let's play it together. We'll play slowly. Remember to use the tips we just discussed. Here we go. Excellent work. Remember, playing a strong melody is essential in hymn playing. Keep practicing to create a beautiful and balanced sound. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out our other hymn videos. Happy practicing!